Flooring Liquidators, we want to help your home achieve its fullest potential. New flooring can completely transform a space, as you'll see in today's flooring installation video. This homeowner wanted to finish their living room with a set of loose lay vinyl from the Fuzion Flooring Smart Drop line. It is a 5mm thick vinyl that can be either loose laid with perimeter glue or full spread glue down. Today's installation features the full spread option. As our team prepares to lay down the vinyl, the subfloor was prepped with a sweep and vacuum to ensure a clean working surface. We always ensure we keep your home neat and tidy while performing installations. Specialized glue was spread out using a putty knife, covering the floor evenly without any excess. After that, the loose lay vinyl can be measured, cut using an Olfa knife, and laid out in a calculated pattern. All pieces are put together tightly, with our team carefully checking for gaps in each piece put down. As there is no click profile on these Smart Drop floors, we rely on our installation experts to ensure the pieces are tightly laid down. At the end of the job, trim is cut and installed along the walls to cover all cuts and create a sharp vinyl look. The trim matches the color of the baseboards, giving the room a seamless, put-together appearance that is sure to impress any guest. The final step for this job is rolling out the floor with a 75-pound steel roller to secure every bit of the floor to the glue. The final results are stunning, turning this room into a great usable space for the home. For more information, visit our website at flooringliquidators.ca or stop by one of our many showrooms located across Ontario. It's easy to get started, so call or visit us today.